Korean corn dog mukbang. Hot Cheeto. Let's give it a bite.
I need a napkin.
Mmm.
Yeah, I bited that one.
Fruity Pebbles. It looks really beautiful. Let's give it a try.
Where can just go?
Shh, quiet. I'm doing something right now.
I'm not freaking playing with you.
Yeah, I already shared them. You can't.
Oh, I'm gonna try it.
Oh my god. Sweet potato. Let's give it a try.
That's fire.
So we have a churro. Let's give it a try. No, this is my first time trying this one. The regular potato one. Let's give it a bite. Now, dip.
This one tastes like a dessert.
You feel good.